someone has to learn, someone has to be open to learn anything for the Tai Chi, because this is the only prerequisite. So there is a
Yes.
term that's very popular, that learn, unlearn, relearn. So can you explain what is relearn for you, and how to unlearn and relearn? What's that in your opinion?
Okay.
Because people are so
To
rigid. I mean, I'm talking to you because I have seen many people, many individuals who are very rigid. They are not, they do not want to learn anything new. They don't want to change their concept, because uh, because of the technology, because of the I mean pandemic, things have been changed. But most of us are not willing to learn or relearn something new.
That is unfortunate. You're right. But
Yes,
if you do not learn, you don't grow.
yes, that's for
So,
sure. That's for sure.
um, Tai Chi, essentially, you have to unlearn the way you move your body. And you
Okay.
have to relearn, okay? You have to relearn how your body moved when you were a toddler, a child. A child that is learning to walk has all the qualities that we look for in Tai Chi, in movement. Okay. If you think about a baby, a child, when they breathe, okay, how do they breathe? They don't breathe from their chest, they breathe from their stomach.
Stomach.
You see
Yes.
a toddler sitting there, their stomach is going
In and out.
in and out. But as adults, where do we breathe? We breathe from our chest.
We breathe shallow breathe, that is called.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, when a toddler learns to stand, both of their knees are bent and their hips are bent. Naturally, that's how they learn to
Yes.
walk.
Yeah.
But once we realize that we can stand up
Straight.
straight, we abandon that and we start straightening our knees. We
Hmm.
straighten our hips. There's no flexibility, there's no bending.
Hmm.
And so, because we rely on our muscles actually to hold our bodies up, whereas a toddler doesn't do that. A toddler relies on balance to keep them from falling. But as soon as we learn to stand up, we start using our muscles. And that's why people have so many problems with their necks, with their shoulders, because we don't have the right posture anymore. We lose it. We have unlearned. So now we have to relearn. But you're right. People who are inflexible, and inflexibility comes in different ways. So, for example, I know people who want to learn Tai Chi, but their bodies are inflexible. Their bodies do not want to change the way they do things. Their mind wants to change, but their subconscious, their body doesn't want to. And so they only get to a certain point and that's it. They'll never get beyond a certain point. You know? So it's interesting. Yeah. Tai Chi is a reflection of the human mind in a sense. So the more you're willing to learn, the more you're willing to unlearn and relearn, better off you are.